From the beginning, the LeBron James Family Foundation committed to creating lasting, visible change in our community. Over time, that belief has grown into a movement you can see and feel throughout Akron. Along the way, we've partnered with organizations that recognize real impact starts by showing up where others don't. Partners like Sherwin-Williams, who understand that meaningful transformation often starts with seeing what others might miss. That belief is the foundation of the Sherwin-Williams Loneliest Color campaign. Every year, Sherwin-Williams celebrates its least tinted color, the loneliest color, proving that even the most overlooked shades hold remarkable beauty. It's a symbol of what's possible when we choose to see potential. That same spirit lives at the core of the LeBron James Family Foundation PROMISE Project by Sherwin-Williams. Because families, neighborhoods, and dreams thrive when they are believed in and given the opportunity to grow. Because creating a home takes more than a structure, it takes a village. It's no coincidence that Sherwin-Williams' 2026 Loneliest Color, Offbeat Green, takes center stage in this space. As Sherwin-Williams' least popular hue, Offbeat Green shines a light on hidden potential, mirroring the same potential of those who simply need support and encouragement as they take pride in home ownership. Offbeat Green symbolizes more than color. It symbolizes possibility. It reminds us that when we uplift what the world overlooks, incredible change can happen. That's the spirit behind the PROMISE Project by Sherwin-Williams. It starts with opening the door, continues with choices that build confidence, and it sustains over time through a lifelong commitment to creating lasting, visible change.